Have you ever thought about traveling solo? Imagine the thrill of exploring new destinations, meeting new people, and immersing yourself in different cultures, all on your own terms. Welcome to the world of solo female travel, an exciting adventure that's growing in popularity every day. It's a journey that's as much about self-discovery as it is about seeing the world. It's about empowerment, independence, and the freedom to make your own choices. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. But we get it, it can be intimidating too. That's why we've put together this guide, to help you navigate your way around the globe with confidence. We'll share with you some of the best destinations for solo female travelers, give you essential safety tips, and even offer some advice on how you can meet other travelers along the way. If you're a woman thinking about taking a solo trip, or even if you're a seasoned traveler looking for new ideas, this video is for you. Now let's dive into the heart of our journey, the destinations. Here are the top 5 destinations for solo female travelers. First up, we have the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Known for its stunning landscapes, Iceland is not only breathtakingly beautiful but also ranks high on safety. The people are warm and welcoming, and there's a strong sense of community. So, you can enjoy the northern lights or soak in a geothermal pool, knowing you're in a safe and supportive environment. Next on our list is Japan. Japan is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. With its efficient public transportation system and low crime rate, it's a haven for solo female travelers. You can explore ancient temples, bustling markets, and savor the world-renowned cuisine, all while feeling secure and respected. Thirdly, we head to the southern hemisphere, to the scenic landscapes of New Zealand. Known for its friendly locals and diverse outdoor activities, New Zealand offers an unforgettable journey. Whether you're hiking through the stunning national parks or exploring the vibrant city life, you can be assured of a safe and welcoming environment. Our fourth destination is Portugal. Picturesque towns, delicious cuisine, and a rich history make Portugal a compelling choice. Not to mention, it's considered one of the safest countries in Europe. Whether you're meandering through cobblestone streets or sipping on port wine, Portugal offers a delightful experience for solo female travelers. Lastly, but certainly not least, is Canada. A country that's as vast as it is diverse. From the cosmopolitan cities of Toronto and Vancouver to the serene landscapes of the Rocky Mountains, Canada has something for everyone. Canadians are known for their politeness, and the country has a strong reputation for safety, making it an excellent pick for solo female travelers. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in our case, a single destination. Choose the one that resonates with you the most. Traveling solo is empowering, but it also means you need to take extra care of your safety. Here are some safety tips and essentials for your journey. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with your destination. Research is key. Learn about the local culture, customs, and laws. Know the safe and not so safe areas. Understanding your surroundings will help you blend in and avoid potential risks. Remember to always keep emergency numbers at your fingertips. Local police, ambulance, your country's embassy, these are numbers you should have on speed dial. In the era of smartphones, you can save these numbers or even better, write them down in case your phone runs out of power. Speaking of power, a power bank is an essential item to pack. You never know when you might need to charge your phone, especially in an emergency. It's a small item that can make a big difference. Travel insurance is another must-have. It can cover anything from lost luggage to emergency medical expenses. While we hope never to use it, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Staying alert is of utmost importance. Be aware of your surroundings, trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Don't be afraid to remove yourself from situations that make you uncomfortable. Now, let's talk about some items that can enhance your safety. A personal alarm, for instance, can be a lifesaver. It's small, portable, and can deter potential threats when activated. A door stopper is another handy tool. It can provide an extra layer of security in your accommodation, especially if you're staying in a guest house or hostel. Lastly, remember to maintain regular communication with someone back home. Let them know your plans, where you're staying, and check in regularly. This way, someone always knows your whereabouts. Your safety is paramount. With these tips and essentials, you can ensure your journey is not only enjoyable but also safe. Traveling solo doesn't mean you have to be alone all the time. Let's explore how you can meet other travelers. One of the easiest ways is by joining group tours. These are usually filled with like-minded individuals who are also eager to explore and make new friends. Attending local events is another great way to mingle. Food fairs, music festivals, cultural shows, these gatherings are teeming with locals and tourists alike. If you're on a budget, staying in hostels can also bring about surprising connections. Shared dorms, communal kitchens, and cozy lounges are perfect for striking up conversations. And of course, in this digital age, travel apps can be a lifesaver. They can connect you with fellow travelers, recommend local hangouts, and even organize meetups. And there you have it. A world of opportunities to make your solo journey less lonely and more exciting. Remember, the world is full of friends waiting to get to know you. So there you have it, an empowering guide for solo female travelers. We've ventured through the top destinations, where culture, beauty, and safety harmoniously coexist. From the serene landscapes of New Zealand to the vibrant markets of Japan, the world is ready to welcome your adventurous spirit. We've also delved into the essentials of safety, because being prepared is the first step towards an empowered journey. Remember, it's all about understanding the local customs, keeping your belongings secure, and always having a backup plan. And let's not forget the joy of meeting like-minded explorers. Whether it's through local events, traveler meetups, or even a shared ride, the world is full of opportunities to make connections and create unforgettable memories. To all the solo female travelers out there, this guide is a testament to your bravery and resilience. Here's to your upcoming adventures. May they be safe, empowering, and full of unforgettable experiences.